Ever wondered why those pesky white flakes keep reappearing on your shoulders? Are home remedies really the key? Dandruff, that uninvited guest, seems to love recurring visits. But could your kitchen hold the secret to keeping it at bay? Dandruff is more than just an annoyance. Let's delve into what it actually is. Dandruff, a common scalp condition, affects more than half the world's population. It's those pesky white flakes that make an unwelcome appearance on your shoulders. But what causes it? Often it's a result of dry skin or a sensitivity to certain hair products. In other cases, it could be down to a yeast-like fungus that lives on our scalps. It's not about cleanliness, rather, it's about how our bodies react to these factors. Now that we understand the adversary, let's explore why home remedies might be the secret weapon in this battle. Home remedies have been around for ages, and there's a reason they've stood the test of time. They're not just affordable and accessible, they're also free of harsh chemicals that can sometimes do more harm than good. Conventional anti-dandruff products can sometimes leave your scalp dry and irritated, but natural treatments nourish your scalp while fighting off those pesky flakes. So, are you ready to ditch the chemicals and embrace the healing power of nature? Ready for the top home remedies to combat dandruff? Here they are. From your kitchen to your bathroom, these 7 common items can help fight dandruff. Apple cider vinegar balances your scalp's pH. Tea tree oil fights fungus, while aloe vera soothes and hydrates. Coconut oil moisturizes dry scalps, lemon juice clears away excess oils, and baking soda exfoliates dead skin. Lastly, yogurt acts as a natural conditioner. Each remedy should be applied directly to the scalp, left for a few minutes, then rinsed off. Use these remedies 2 to 3 times a week. With these natural remedies, dandruff doesn't stand a chance. Remember, consistency is key. While these remedies work wonders, let's not forget about overall hair care. The right shampoo and conditioner are paramount. Also, lifestyle factors like diet and stress can influence dandruff. You now have the tools to conquer dandruff. Remember, your journey to a healthy scalp starts with you.